your girl Myra, and I'm back with another video. Hey, I'm back with another video. Before I get this video started, can you please hit that subscribe button, hit the bell to be notified when I upload video. What up, y'all? On today's video, we're gonna do another glam Christmas look. Another bitch you haven't been on for a while. Anyways, we're gonna do a glam Christmas look today. But before I jump into the video, into the makeup look, I want to talk about a couple of things that I've been kind of obsessing over, and I want to get you guys on, you know. So lately I've been shopping a lot at 5 and Below. Yes, 5 and Below, one of my daughter's favorite store, because not only you get, you know, you get quality stuff in there too, girl. Some of the stuff may look a little cheapy, but you know what? It's good stuff, you know. I figured why not show it to you guys, and what I've been obsessing over. Okay, so I have a large selection of makeup brushes, and this is what it's looking right now. And don't judge me, but I got more over here, and yes, it's in a butter bucket. That's because I didn't have a bigger cup to put my, I usually have like a big mug where I keep all my brushes, and I didn't have a bigger one because I was washing all my brushes, and as soon as I was washing, I needed a big tub to put them in, so therefore I was using the butter bucket. But anyways, you see how this is just so like clean and organized, and just not that big and bulky where it's going to take up space in your beauty room. And that's because I bought this at 5 and Below. This thing is like, it's a lifesaver, because I usually keep all my brushes like in a mug like this. My mom gave me this, like mugs like this, and like jars like this, which I also got at the dollar store. But like, yeah, so I seen that, and then I'm like, yo, I had bought it and I just left it there, and I just procrastinating and haven't been doing nothing with it. So the other day I'm like, let me wash all my brushes, because that's one of the reasons I haven't been doing videos. I have been not only working, but I just been trying to get my beauty table organized and clean. I clean all my sponges and brushes. But anyways, yeah, I started cleaning my brushes, and I put them in this, and I'm like, yo, you could fit a lot, like dead ass, you could fit a lot of brushes in here. And I am so freaking excited about this, because it's like, it doesn't, like, y'all, it grips onto your brushes and it keeps them intact, and you could stack them up. Like, I'm really gonna find a way to put them in, like, in the little corner here, and I just have them all stacked up here like this. Like, isn't this cute? Like, this is bomb. Like, y'all better get on this. Like, and it's only $5, and it looks like this. And I'm so happy I found this, because I needed something that's gonna like not take up a lot of space, and something that would be in a corner where I could just pick it up, whatever. And you can also turn it around and pick whatever brush you're looking for. It's so cute, and I love it, and I'm so happy. Now, this one I'm gonna use for the big brushes. I got a separate one to put all my brushes in, the big ones. And that's that for the brushes. Another thing that I've been obsessing is this light. Now, you could use this, girl, you could use this for whatever, and it got Velcro in the back. You stick it in the wall inside your closet, and you could grab it and take it anywhere dark you want something to light up. Inside your pantry, you put this in the cabinet, you can put this wherever you want, and it's only $5. Girl, I racked up, and I got like 2 of them inside my closet, and it's Velcro, so you could stick it on your wall, and then you could take it off and use it wherever you want to lighten up. This is lit. This is really lit, and I am so happy I got this product, because this saved me so many times, especially when you don't want to turn on the light because your spouse or your boo is sleeping. You don't want to wake them up. You can always take this wherever you want to light up, and get you whatever you need. And not only is it good for looking up stuff, you can also use this for a selfie, girl. Get your phone and whatever and take a selfie with it. This is bomb. They also got different shape. They got circles. They got a variety of different shapes of these, but I just picked up this one. And not only that, but I've been obsessing over Bath and Body Works lately. Me and my bestie went out to the candle annual, what is it, sale, and I've been on it. We went Saturday morning, early in the morning, well, the day before we went Friday, and we picked up all the candles, which I didn't know. Shout out to my girl, my bestie. She did her little investigation, and she got some information about, you know, going there to the store the day before the sale and picking up all your candles, and they could save it in the back for you so you come in the morning and pick it up. You don't have to go crazy looking for your scent or whatever candles you want, whatever. You already did it the day before, so you get in line and you pick up your bag and grab and go. So when I got home, I lit this candle up and it was so freaking amazing. I fell in love with it. Let me pick it up so you guys can see which one I'm talking about. So yeah, it's a candle right here, and it's called Ghoul Spring. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it smells so, oh my god, it smells so freaking amazing. I'm obsessed with this candle. And not only this candle, I picked up more candles. Like, I picked up 12 candles, and these candles are bomb. I never owned a Bath and Body candle until my bestie hooked me up, like got me on this, and I've been obsessed. Like, this is the first candle I lit up when I got home Saturday morning, and the room smells so beautiful. Oh my god, it smells so lovely. I'm like, yo, let me get online and see what Bath and Body is working with, you know. So after I bought candles already at the mall, I hopped up online again, and I'm like, let me see if it has any more candles on sale. So I looked it up, and they, sure enough, they have more candles. So I picked me up another 5 more. I'm like, yo, this shit smell bomb. But yeah, get you guys some Bath and Body candles, because these things are lit. Like, they're bomb. And another thing I picked up from Bath and Body Works the day before Friday, I picked up some hand soap, because I thought, if, you know, because we didn't have a coupon, girl. We were assessing, trying to find some damn coupons so we could take it for this candle sale the Saturday, but we couldn't. I thought we figured if we purchased some stuff from Bath and Body the day before, we could get some coupons, girl, but it didn't work like that. So we picked up these $3 hand soap, and they smell so bomb. I always own Bath and Body Works hand soap. They smell so beautiful, and I love them. So I picked up 3 of these Bath and Body hand soap. I got me a foam one and the soapy kind. And another thing I picked up, this is like a haul. Instead of a tutorial, I'm making this into a haul, but it's gonna be a real quick haul because I want to jump into this makeup tutorial. And another thing I picked up from 5 and Below is this a foldable foam stand. You guys see it? Yeah, girl. So this is it's portable. You could take this anywhere, girl. And it got the little sucky cup at the bottom. You can stand it up anywhere you want to go. Like, you can stand it up here, wherever, and film your little video, take your little picture or whatever. I found this very, very helpful and cheap, girl. $5. You can't beat that. I didn't try it yet, but I'm gonna stick it up here onto my mirror here, and I'm gonna see if I could record from this angle or find a way where I could do different type of recording with this, because I found this very helpful. You know, anybody out there interested in doing a YouTube and you don't have the equipment or whatever, go to 5 and Below, because you'll find everything to a little small ring light. Excuse me, I spit all over. But to a little small ring light, girl, you can't go wrong. And they even got the LED sticker lights, so you can put around your vanity like I did. And girl, hook it up. Go to 5 and Below, girl, and get your little, like, here, girl, get you these lights and stick them on your vanity all around, and you're gonna have lighting. This is really, really good and cheap and affordable. And another thing I picked up, I love leopard. I love everything about leopard. So I got me this light. So I got me this hat, and it comes two. You get two hats for the price of one. Isn't this cute? This little leopard hat, and you get the little black one for $5, girl. Get you some. But anyways, let me jump into this makeup tutorial. So if you guys want to see how I create this beautiful look at the end of the video, please keep on watching. Well, guys, this completed look. I hope you guys like it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your mama, with your daddy, with your cousin, with your whole family. Let them know what your girl's doing over here in this channel, because we lit. We lit. We lit. Yes, girl. I love you all. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye.